Hi everybody, my name's Billy from Piano and Pies, and this is the tutorial for You plus Me equals Love Heart. Let's get stuck straight in. At the very start of the song, we have two notes that we need to play, and what we have is 3 on the E string, 3 on the E string, then 5 on the A, and then another 5 on the A string. And we're using that rhythm. We then get into a guitar solo, which I'll break down now and then talk about the chords behind it as well. Now what we need is a 3 on the E string, we'll use our middle finger, we'll have 4 on the D string, we'll use our little finger, and then what we'll play is 3 to the 4, then 3 to an open G string. Then we have that 4 on the D to the 3 on the E. Then release the 3 on the E string, keep the little finger where it is, and play the exact same strings. So we have, then put that 3 on the A string, and basically do everything the same again, but instead of the E string we now have the 3 on the A. But then we have a 2 on the A string, that's why I've kept this finger free. And that 2 is on the G string, should I say. And after that 2, we have the 4-3 again. And then 4-2-0 on the G, and then a 4 on the D. So slowly putting all that guitar riff together, we get... and you will play that round 2 times in a row. Now this song has quite a lot of sections to it, so you'll notice that there is a tab all the way through this song. If you would like the tablature, which is the full song, as well as a chord chart of the full song with all the chords in the background, as well as a sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric goes together, well, head on over to Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, including a ton of Olivia Rodrigo songs as well, a few from this album as well. But let's delve in with the chords that we play along for that introduction solo. And the chords are G major, E minor, and 2 lots of C major. G to E minor and C major. We then get to the first verse, and that's where we strum some chords. There's an acoustic guitar part in the background, and what we need for that is the same chords that I talked to you about earlier in the introduction part, which is G, E minor, and C major. And you'll see on the screen, the way I'm strumming this and the way they play it on the track, you'll play the full chord once, then the lower, then the higher, and then the higher, followed by the full chord twice. So, full, low, high, high, full, full. In terms of strumming, that's down, down, up, up, down, up. I'll do that for every chord. C gets it twice. We then get to a pre-chorus where things change quite a bit. And what we have is a C major shape, but moved up 1, 2 frets. So it's the same shape, just up here, 5, 4, 0, 3, 0. And we play the same rhythm as the verse. Twice. And twice on a regular C. Play that round twice, and you've got the pre-chorus. We then get to the actual chorus, where it takes what we did in the verse, G, E minor, and 2 lots of C. We'll play that twice. But then it takes what we did in the pre-chorus with this D shape, followed by the C, and play that twice. Now before I show you the second verse, which has a bit of a difference, we have a guitar solo. And the guitar solo is just what we played during the opening part of the song. so we'll skip over that part. And that second verse is very similar to the first verse, but this time we sustain some chords. So all I mean by sustain is that we play a chord and let it ring out. So it goes G 2 3 4, E 2 3 4, C 3 4 5 6 7 8. However, at that point, we then go back to strumming for the last 3 times around the verse. We then have another pre-chorus, same as the first one, where we take that C shape up 2 frets and then move it back to its original place. And then we have another chorus, same as the first chorus. And then after another guitar solo, same as all the other solos, we have a bridge. And the bridge is just taking the chorus chords, the G, E minor, C, and it's then C again. You'll play that twice, and then you'll play the bridge part twice. The D chord and the C chord, and you'll play that twice. Vocally, it is different to the chorus, but for us guitarists, it's essentially the same thing. After that, we have another chorus, usual chords, and then an outro, and the outro is G, E minor, C major, loop that round twice, and you can end it all with a G major. So there we go, that's everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe, which really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material over on Patreon. I also want to say a quick thanks to the people floating by on the screen, who are my active patrons, so when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.